So today I'm going to show you how to add a bank account onto your Ramp account. Now we're actually going to be here on our Ramp account in real time. This is the home page right over here. You can see we are currently on overview. Now, one of the ways to go ahead and add a bank account over here is towards the top right-hand side. You're going to see the initials that you have over here for your name, as well as it being in a circle. We're going to go ahead and click over here. Now, once you have this clicked, it's going to have this drop-down menu. There is going to be the settings over here with that little gear icon. Let's go ahead and click on this. Now that takes us over here to our profile page. And if you look over here on the left-hand side for us, there is going to be additional information, one of which says banking. Let's go ahead and click right over here onto this. That is going to put us right over here to go ahead and add our personal bank account. So from here, we're going to click right down at the bottom that says add a personal bank account. So from right over here, it is going to first and foremost, maybe take a few seconds for this automatic connection piece to come up. So from here, you can go ahead and connect with Plaid, which means you are actually logging into your bank account. You could either look for your bank over here with the images or search for your bank. If you do not want to go ahead and do that, you can go ahead and click down here towards the bottom to add your account manually. That will take a couple of additional days. All right, so for us, we're going to go ahead and search for our bank account right over here. So we're just going to type in and we're going to find our bank, click over on the image. And from here, it's going to have a pop-up menu in the center of the screen. It's going to have you log in. If you've used Plaid before, you can sign in with your phone number and all of your accounts that are already on there will be saved. If not, you can go ahead and continue without a phone number, or you can go ahead and do a brand new account with Plaid. So that way it'll save that bank account for the future, making things that much easier. All right, so we went ahead and put our phone number in. It's going to give us our code. We're going to type in that code right over here, and it's going to continue on to the next step. All right, now since we, again, had our account on file here for us, it's going to show all the different checking and savings accounts attached to that one bank. And if this is your first time going through with Plaid, it will show all of the accounts that you can choose from. You can checkbox all of them or just the one you want to have. For us, we have our checking account we like. So we're going to go ahead and checkbox that and click on continue here at the bottom. All right, so from here, it is going to send a code to our account. This is from Ramp themselves. So we're going to go ahead and plug this in and then click on verify. All right, once we went through that verification process, it takes us back over here to the personal bank account. So now we see our one bank on file over here and that it is officially verified for us. We can always go ahead and change whichever account we want on file here and just go through that process again. Now, there's always more to learn when it comes to using your financial apps. Check out our next video right over here on screen to keep on learning.